You need to climb to the top of a staircase where every step costs some money. You can move up 1 or 2 steps at a time, but how do you reach the top spending the least amount of money? Pause to read the problem and the example. The input is an array. You can solve it with dynamic programming. Create a new array with n+1 elements. Starting from the third element, calculate its value by taking the sum of the previous 2 options and choosing the smaller one. Repeat this process for each element until the last one. Here we've found the minimum cost of climbing the stairs.